JoshuaJackPot, and today you're gonna see a little bit of my point of view of Hurricane Florence. So I'm outside and I'm gonna show you what happened. Okay, let's go. So it's the truck. It's a little downy, and I'm not gonna show you my address because I don't want people just randomly coming to my house. To start off, the street is wet, a little dry places, puddles. That ant. Sorry for the ants. When it was actually raining, I was saying like, wow, it must be an ant base for them. So like, let's see what you hear it. You hear it coming. Okay, so you see leaves coming off of these trees, man. Our trees to start this. Start up. No, is that my mom? Mom! I already started it. Look at this, guys. This is just... oh my god. Yeah? What?
I want you to go down there with the trees are. Oh, the dragonflies are back.
Oh, yay. Dragon. Well, I can't show that because I don't want to get people coming to our house. Look. This is just...
We never checked your mailbox, did we?
Shoot. We did not. We can't show the mail either, Mom.
CMS.
CMS? Oh, that's our school district. Okay, guys. That's cool. Okay. I'll see you later, I guess.
Not go past that where that tarp is,
Okay.
right?
So this is just a sample. It's a little sample. This is just destructive, yo. I can't believe it. Yo, I'm trying to get a good view for y'all. At the same time, not showing. This is... you can still hear it going. Yeah, guys, this is new thing. Oh, this is a hurricane. So this is the life of being in a hurricane, guys. Cars just standing. I got a good light for y'all on my phone for some reason. Oh shoot. This was... oh, the wind's starting back. Look, the leaves are going. I'm gonna pick up. Look at this leaf. It's so wet. No, I'm gonna join it with his other friends. Well, that was bad. Okay, I want to go back in the house. No, I want to... the mud. This is mud, guys. Look, watch. Oh no, this is just regular dirt. My shoe messed up. God, my shoe was messed up. I'm done. I don't know what I'm doing. My foot is messed up now. That's actually mud, guys. This is no joke, guys. Like, if you live with Hurricane Florence pass by you, evacuate. Just go. Guys, you have to be saved. You'll have, like, call somebody. Oh my god. Alright, just call somebody and, like, let them help, okay? This is not a joke, guys. It's a hurricane. Like, it's not a joke. Tornadoes, like, are better, but, like, I'd rather be in a hurricane than a tornado. Alright, so, this is just the dry parts. I'm gonna look up at the sky. Let it Well, there's no dark clouds. As you guys see, there's the trees. This is actually a better view for y'all. It's my house right there. Right there's my house. Okay, guys. I'll see you later. Jackpots, keep hitting that jackpot. And please subscribe, because I just want to make my day. I want one subscriber. I want this to make my day. Guys, I do vlogs, not that much. I don't do them every single day. I do them like once a week, twice, but it's worth it. And see you guys tomorrow. See if the prank. No, she gone. I'll see you later, because you gotta hit that jackpot. Peace.